credentials of the user and click on Login. Check the Remember Password to save the credentials. Click on the Activity Summary to display the activities scheduled.
Checklists can be viewed by day, week, work week, or month. Click on Scheduled Checklist to view the scheduler details. Click on the Asset Document button to view the documents configured in the asset. The user can add a document by clicking the plus icon button. Enter a title name. Select the document type and choose the file. The file type and file name will be generated automatically based on the selected fields. The user can view the configured checklists and SOPs. To complete the checklist, the user should click the Viewer button to open it. The user can modify or enter data in the checklist. Once all modifications are done, they can click the Set Complete button to finalize the checklist. Users can also add comments. After successfully completing the checklist, an email will be sent to the respective persons. Click the Reports button to view deviation tags. Users can see the total checkpoints, total OK tags, and total not OK tags. Click View to see detailed deviation tag information. Clicking Show Deviation Tags displays all deviation tags. Clicking View opens a pop-up with details of the selected tag. To assign a task for an issue, click the Abnormality Report button. Users can assign the task to the respective person for further action. In the action summary, all comments will be displayed. Click View to assign a person to take action. The Activity Dashboard by Asset helps users track schedules and monitor statuses. In the Activity Summary dashboard, users can check planned activities, completed activities, and compliance percentages based on individual users. Activities are displayed based on departments and asset units. Compliance monitoring. Real-time dashboard showcasing scheduled versus actual completion rates. Automated alerts for overdue tasks. Analytics and reporting. Trend analysis of asset performance. Identification of recurring issues to aid in preventive maintenance planning.
For each asset, users can create custom views to gain deeper insights into production and performance. These views can include reports such as the History Outage Report, which is generated based on entries made by the operations team or maintenance team. Additionally, users can monitor live parameters in real time. Similarly, users can configure various other views tailored to their specific needs, ensuring more efficient tracking and analysis of asset performance. The Asset Monitoring view provides key details about an asset, including its description, properties, and location. It tracks consumables, displays important documents, and offers real-time performance data for monitoring efficiency. Users can also access material specifications and system components, helping with maintenance and operational insights. In the ProSense module, navigate to Asset List and click on Add to create a new asset. The Asset Details section allows users to maintain a hierarchical structure by linking parent and child assets. Users can add properties, define asset views, and configure parameters as needed. Similarly, asset consumables can be created, and a QR code can be generated for easy access. Additionally, Users can view the Asset Monitor view for real-time tracking and insights. Authorized users can perform bulk approvals and bulk assignments for activities efficiently. They can select completed checklists and click Approve, instantly updating their status. Similarly, users can assign checklists to an operator, engineer, or manager by selecting the checklist and clicking Update, ensuring smooth task delegation and workflow management.
The scheduler type is of two types: permanent and temporary scheduler. The permanent scheduler. The activity is created only when the scheduled time occurs. Temporary scheduler. All scheduled activities are created at once based on the start time and end time. It does not wait for each scheduled time to trigger an activity separately. Is condition-based, enabled, meaning the scheduler will only execute if the specified conditions are met. If the value exceeds or falls below the defined range 0 to 100, an activity will be created automatically. Condition tag description. This field allows users to describe the condition logic. Is condition runtime. If enabled, the scheduler will track the runtime of the equipment before triggering an activity. Runtime limit in days. Defines the maximum allowed runtime before an activity is generated. Select an event, and if the event notification is escalated, the activity will be created automatically.